Howdy ho, my paint by number peeps. Guess what I have? Can you guess? Paintings. Who would have thunk? Okay, so this is an order I placed on April 24th from Paint Plot. They shipped on, I want to say it was May the 10th, and it has been in transit since that time. So I got it today. Today is July 11th. But you know, they have been on my list of who to trust, and I'm going to keep them there because I was very aware when I placed an order from Paint Plot that it was going to take a while, and because I've ordered from them before, I felt like I could trust them, so I just sat back and let it do its thing, and here they are. So there's 3 paintings in here, and I thought we would just look at all of them. So this is going to be the unboxing of 3 different designs. So let's get started. Do you ever just feel like it's Christmas when an order comes? Sometimes because it feels like you've been waiting for Christmas. In this situation, it almost did, but I got them. That's all that matters, right? This one's a fabulous color palette, but I don't know what painting it's for because I don't have a picture in it. I do save pictures of my paintings when I order them on my phone and put them in an album like I've discussed before. So I do have a picture of what this is supposed to be. And so I will insert it. So let's take a look. The first one is going to be this beautiful ocean that just looks so inviting. All right, I'm going to put the actual picture right here. And so this one has black lines and black numbers, but it's very easy to see. They're not like super dark. They're not like super bold. I think it would be easy to cover, and I've been very happy with their quality. I will gesso with clear gesso all 3 of these before I start them, but I will swatch them without having been gessoed first, just to see what I think about the paint. And I'm not going to do all the paints on this for the video. I'm just going to do a couple of them and just test them out, and then I'm going to move to the next one. So this painting is called Calm Shore, and let me look at this palette. Oh my goodness. I don't know where that voice just came from. Okay, so this is the color palette, and as you can see, it is beautiful. It's like a combination of pastels mixed with blues and greens. And oh my God, I'm in the middle of a painting for you guys where we're painting together. But I swear to goodness, I just want to do this one so bad now. Anyway, back to it. So Calm Shore is the name of this one. Let's do a few of these colors. I'm going to do some of the tricky ones. Let's go with this purple one. It's number 24. Now, if I can find it, without taking 15 years, I will paint it. Oh, here we go. It's a nice big one here. Now let's check the paints. They're creamy. They've been in shipment, in transit for a long time. So I'm not expecting, you know, miracles here, but the paint, this paint is super creamy, whatever this color is. Now that one's gonna be a stinker. That's definitely gonna be a stinker. All right, so 24 is going to be a witch. So let's try number 4 a little bit right in here. I know that usually the paints are really nice, but I do realize that different paintings come from different sources from these companies. So I always test them, even if I've ordered from that company before, just to be sure that I like it as well as I have in the past. So that's a very pale purple. It has really got some nice coverage to it. That is good to see. Purples can be tricky. I mean, a deep purple can be very hard to cover, but a lot of times I'm finding that these lighter colors are, you know, much better because they've got a lot of white in them, and that's what's making them more opaque. So let's try, this is a gorgeous color, number 10. Oh, right here, there's some number 10s. I'm gonna go pop right in this little center section, and I will swatch these another time. But I'm going to go ahead and just do 3 for each painting. Okay, perfect. Beautiful. Okay, let's move to the next one. Oh my gosh. I'm scared, y'all, I'm scared. This is terrifying. I don't know what this one is. Oh my God. Becky, look at her painting. Wow. Okay. This one's called Colorful Park. Anytime you've got this many little openings, it's probably because there is some kind of landscape. So yep, I did it to myself, but it's gonna be fabulous. Here's the picture for this one. So let's swatch a couple of colors. Look at this palette. Do I set myself up for it or what? I don't think there's probably an opaque color in this whole set because every one of these looks like it's gonna be a witch. This is number 20. I'm scared. There's a lot of it because there's 2 of them and I'm a little concerned. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna try to be positive. Positive, though I'm scared of it. All right, number 20. There's a lot of number 20s right here. Let's just pick a number. Oh God, look at that yellow. I'm scared of that one too. I might be adding white to every single one of these. Now, if this covers, I will be super surprised. Only because of the fact that it is such a really pretty orangey color. Oh, it's not covering. Nope. It's gonna be transparent. The quality of the paints is great. It's just this particular color. And there's a lot of it. All right. Getting a little discouraged. This one might be done in about 10 years. I have 70-something paintings, so it probably will be done in about 10 years. All right, let's try another color. I'm not giving up yet. It's just the palette that I choose. I mean, I pick these ones with all these wonderful colors, and then I get mad at myself for picking the ones with the colors that are so difficult. This green could go either way. So I'm gonna do it. I know it makes a difference once the canvas is gessoed with clear gesso. So but that actually turned out really good. That's a really nice one. So I'm not giving up on these yet. I'm just not on this one yet. I just know that I don't have this kind of patience right now with everything that's going on in my life. I'm already too stressed. I don't want my paint by number to make me more stressed. Let's try a pretty pink. I love pink. Pink is my signature color. Did y'all know that? I have like 7 pink makeup videos because I love to do pink makeup. All right. You know what I didn't look to see is if I have any reference guides, which would be very important as I'm adding paint to these sections that I will not have a reference to see again. This one's gonna be a semi-opaque. So I'm not gonna have to maybe do 2 layers, but I'm gonna definitely have to go over the number. But that's so pretty. Let's see if there's a reference guide. No, Paint Plot does not give a reference guide. And if you want one, you have to email them. And I emailed them and asked them for one for, I think it was my fall leaves, that beautiful one that I have, but I never received it. So that was a little frustrating. I think I've already done 3 colors. Okay, so I won't do any more on this one, but that 16 is calling my name. Should I do it? Should I do it? If I don't see one right here of 16, I'm not gonna do it. All right, moving on. So this one, does not have a picture. So I'm gonna insert the picture here. Oh, y'all, I am a freak of nature. I'm so glad my husband's not home. He'd be like, are you okay? What are you doing in there? Nothing. Okay, somebody is a little dyslexic and they put the 12 sticker on the 21 pot. That's okay. My sons are dyslexic, I can forgive them. Okay, let's look. Now, I'm gonna try to just do some of these colors in this general area, but this 24 is like, hello, paint me, paint with me, paint with me. So I'm gonna choose this one. I'm shaking, I'm like so excited about this color. That is what a painting nerd I am. Well, I'm gonna. Oh, it's such a pretty color. Okay, beautiful, fabulous. All right, let's pick 18 is a lot, like there's a lot of it. Oh, it's white, I'm not doing white, you won't even see it. Okay, so how about number 5 or number 8? These are yellows, OMG, I'm not sure. Let's just go ahead and do one, I'm scared. All right, I'm gonna do it anyway, it's just paint, right? It's just paint. I don't want to do this big open area with a yellow. Y'all know yellows suck. Almost every time they suck. So what I'm probably gonna do is before I start, I will replace this yellow with my Arteza paints, or I will add some white to it. And white will tone it down and make it more opaque at the same time. So that's what I'll do. You know what I usually do when I'm mixing paints, and I am going to do a video for you guys about mixing paints, but what I tend to do is use the photo from the website that's on my phone, and I mix that way because a lot of the time the pictures that I get with the painting is not a real good quality. The colors are way off or whatever. So I just kind of go with what my original view of it was, and then I'll mix from that. It doesn't matter because nobody's gonna see the picture of what it should look like next to your painting when it's complete. So you don't have to worry about, oh my God, it's not exact, you know, because nobody's gonna compare the two. You are the only one that's gonna know that might be a little one way or the other. Okay, so one more color. Let's go to number 21, which is 12 by accident. I will fix that later. If I ever cut these apart, I'll definitely have to change it because that would be very confusing and I would be painting the wrong one. Well, there's a lot of paint in that lid. Whew. I will scoop that out later and put it down in that pot. But for right now, we're just gonna do this number 21. That's got me confused. Which one am I doing? Okay, 21. So beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay. That is it, you guys. This was our first look at my new paintings by Paint Plot. As you notice, they are all very colorful and beautiful. So I'm looking forward to doing them. I know I've got 50 others in front of these. I don't even know which one to do next. I'm working on the colorful owl, but I really don't know how to even choose which one I want to do next. But I have them in case I need them. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and first look at the Paint Plot 3 paintings that I received. And I will see you back later. Don't forget to subscribe because you don't know when I have new videos if you don't subscribe. And also, if you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, and that way you're notified just by a pop-up on your phone that says Melanie has uploaded a new video. And that would be an awesome thing to know. All right, if you haven't already joined us at the group, please go do that. That information is in the description. There's a little arrow right here by the title that you can click and it will send you there. And you can see the link and it will take you to the group. It'll also take you to this company and some other products that I like to use, such as these wipes right here and some paintbrushes. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you as always for watching.